Imagine a tiny parasite that cannot be seen with the naked eye, yet it can enter an animal, damage the intestine and, in severe cases, reach the liver. This parasite is Entamoeba histolytica. Let us understand it step by step. Entamoeba histolytica is a protozoan parasite with a direct life cycle, so it does not need an intermediate host. It has two main forms, the trophozoite and the cyst. The trophozoite is the active, feeding, multiplying and tissue-damaging form. It moves with pseudopodia and may contain ingested red blood cells. The mature quadrinucleate cyst, containing 4 nuclei, is the resistant and infective form. The main hosts are humans, monkeys, and apes. Infection has also been reported in some other mammals, including dogs and cats, but these animals are not considered the main hosts or major sources of transmission. The parasite spreads by the fecal oral route. Animals become infected by swallowing mature cysts in contaminated food or water, or from contaminated hands, surfaces and surroundings. Poor sanitation, fecal contamination, overcrowding and poor hygiene increase the risk, especially in captive animal facilities. Now let us understand what happens inside the host. After the mature cyst is swallowed, it passes through the stomach and reaches the small intestine. Here, excystation occurs. The cyst opens and produces 8 small metacystic trophozoites. These trophozoites move to the large intestine, especially the caecum and colon. This is the main site where the parasite lives and multiplies. The trophozoites multiply by binary fission. Some trophozoites stay inside the intestinal lumen. They later become cysts again through encystation, and these cysts are passed in the feces to infect another host. Other trophozoites attach to the intestinal lining and invade the intestinal wall. They damage cells and tissues, causing inflammation, tissue death and bleeding. This can produce the typical flask-shaped ulcers, which have a narrow opening at the intestinal surface and a wider area of tissue damage underneath. In severe cases, trophozoites can enter blood vessels and travel through the portal circulation to the liver. There, they may destroy liver tissue and form an amoebic liver abscess. Rarely, the infection may spread to other organs. The clinical signs depend on the severity of infection. Animals may show diarrhea, mucus or blood in the feces, abdominal pain or discomfort, reduced appetite, weakness, dehydration and weight loss. Severe intestinal infection may cause dysentery and extensive colitis. Some infected animals may show no obvious signs but can still pass cysts in their feces. For diagnosis, fecal examination is the main method. Trophozoites are more likely to be found in fresh diarrheic feces, while cysts are more commonly found in formed feces. Treatment depends on whether the parasite is only in the intestinal lumen or has invaded the tissues. In invasive disease, a tissue-active drug such as metronidazole may be used. In severe cases, supportive treatment may also be needed to correct dehydration, electrolyte loss and weakness. There is also a zoonotic and public health concern, especially when infected non-human primates live or work closely with people. Prevention of Entamoeba histolytica mainly relies on good sanitation, safe food and water, proper hand hygiene, and prompt disposal of feces. In the next video, we'll begin leishmaniasis, so stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.